Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel Waving Hand. Today's recipe is quick, easy, and everyone's favorite, a 2-cup chocolate cake. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Like this video, share it, and press the bell icon for future uploads. Let's start. Take a mixing bowl and add ice cream and sugar. Add 1 tablespoon baking powder and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Mix well, then add 1 cup melted chocolate. Add vanilla essence and half a cup of all-purpose flour. Mix until smooth and creamy. Pour into cups, add chocolate on top. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, and check. Your soft, delicious chocolate cake is ready. Thanks for watching Red Heart.